With the rapid globalization and opening up of the Indian economy, intellectual capital has become one of the key wealth drivers in the present international trade. Intellectual property rights have become significantly conspicuous on the legal horizon of India, both in terms of new statutes and judicial pronouncements. Indian statutes, enforcement provisions, and methods of dispute resolution with respect to IP protection are now fully TRIPS compliant. India has laws covering various areas of intellectual property as enumerated, such as trademarks, patents, copyrights, and related rights. So, the topic on which I'm going to speak is key developments in the field of intellectual property law in the year 2022. The general IP initiatives that were introduced in the year 2022 are as follows: a customized division for IPR related support services set up by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. There were several MEITY's initiatives such as the support for international patent protection in for MSMEs and technology startup units, IP Panorama, Patent Analysis and Management System, guidelines for accessibility and reasonable accommodations for persons with disabilities, establishment of Delhi High Court's Intellectual Property Division. The Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Bill 2022, introduced by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So this bill was introduced in Lok Sabha on December 22 of 2022. It amends 42 acts to reduce the compliance burden on individuals and businesses and ensures ease of doing business. Some acts that are amended by the bill include the Information Technology Act of 2000. By understanding the above developments, it is clear that there is a need and demand for further amendments and changes in the intellectual property laws. The uncertainties and delays create complications for various industries. Also, countries like the United States have been involved with India through the US India Trade Policy Forum's Working Group on Intellectual Property. Furthermore, the US government maintains a good relationship with the Indian government to discuss better ways to improve the enforcement system in India. It's the need of the hour to develop IP laws and protect the creations and inventions of people from being exploited.